In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product dimensions in Shopify for shipping. This process is essential for accurately calculating shipping costs and ensuring a smooth customer experience. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll start by navigating to Shopify's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage all the back-end aspects of your online store, so having access here is crucial. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu on the right-hand side with various configuration options for your Shopify store. From the list of options that appear, locate and click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is where you'll handle everything related to how your products are shipped to your customers. It includes settings for shipping rates, delivery methods, and, importantly for us today, package sizes. As we continue, you'll need to scroll down to the Saved Packages section. Here, you're going to add a new package by clicking on the Add Package button. This feature is vital because it lets Shopify know what kind of packaging you typically use, allowing for accurate shipping rate calculations. Now, when you add a package, a form will appear asking for a package name, package type, as well as its dimensions and weight. Enter all relevant details accurately. For instance, dimensions need to reflect the size of your actual packages, including length, width, and height. Having accurate dimensions ensures that the shipping rates displayed at checkout are as precise as possible. Once everything is filled out, simply click Add Package to save your new package settings. Next up, there are several ways to incorporate product dimensions across your store. Apart from adding them in package settings, you can use shipping calculator apps like Intuitive Shipping. These apps allow you to add dimensions to individual products, which can significantly refine your shipping cost estimations. Another approach is through metafields. These can be used to store dimensions internally, offering a way to create custom fields both publicly and privately on your store. If you prefer a more straightforward method, you can also include dimensions directly within each product description, which helps customers understand the product size before purchasing. Finally, let's talk about dimensional weight, an important concept for e-commerce shipping. Shopify will determine your dimensional weight if the total volume of your package, measured by multiplying length, width, and height, exceeds 1 cubic foot or 1,728 cubic inches. In cases where the dimensional weight surpasses the actual weight, the shipping costs will default to the dimensional weight. This is critical for accurate billing, as it reflects how carriers typically charge for bulky, lightweight packages. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding product dimensions for shipping in Shopify. By following these steps, you'll ensure that shipping rates are accurately calculated, providing a better experience for you and your customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store.